In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use ChatGPT to summarize any text you want. Whether it's a short article or a lengthy research paper, mastering this tool can save you tons of time and effort while still allowing you to gather the insights you need quickly. To get started, open ChatGPT by navigating to chat.openai.com. Once there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. After logging in, begin your session by starting a new chat. This is your blank canvas, where you will input the text you need to have summarized and conduct all interactions with ChatGPT. Now, let's move on to the next step, pasting your text into the chat. For example, say you have an article that discusses how artificial intelligence is transforming various industries globally. The article might touch on how AI is being adopted in sectors like healthcare and education to boost efficiency and innovation. It might also mention existing challenges, such as ethical concerns and the potential for job displacement, while highlighting experts' opinions that proper regulation could make AI a valuable asset for human progress. This is the kind of text you're going to paste into ChatGPT for summarization. Once you've pasted your article or text, the next logical step is to request a concise summary. You can do this by asking ChatGPT to summarize the text in 3 sentences. This will allow you to get a clear, condensed version of the main points without getting lost in the details, perfect for when you need a quick overview or have limited time. If you need the information organized differently, ChatGPT is flexible enough to accommodate. You might want the summary in the form of bullet points for easy note-taking or quick reference. Simply ask it to transform the summary into bullet points, and ChatGPT will present the main ideas in a structured list format. Should you require a summary that focuses only on the essence of the text, ask ChatGPT for a 1-sentence summary. This option is great when you need to capture the gist of the document or are preparing for discussions and need a succinct line to refer to. Next, if you are dealing with longer documents, such as a comprehensive research paper, you can always ask ChatGPT to summarize it into key insights with specific headings like main point, supporting details, and conclusion. This method is particularly effective for breaking down complex materials into manageable sections, making it much easier to understand the overall narrative and the critical supporting arguments. Utilizing these strategies with ChatGPT can significantly enhance your efficiency in processing information. Whether you are a student, a professional, or anyone in need of quick knowledge extraction, these steps will make your interactions with text much more productive and insightful. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips useful in your future endeavors with ChatGPT.